So mention the advantage of using, sorry. So before that, actually, so we have to finish discussing this, right? Smart TV, smart refrigerator, smart watch, washing machine, new vehicles. What else? What else? I think you have seen these devices, right? So smart refrigerator. So this is some new invention, right? In smart refrigerator, basically you can access internet using your fridge, something like this, right? It has operating system or embedded system running there. Here you can make your orders using this. You can order new things, or you can configure your refrigerator using this, right? Using the smart refrigerator. These are some of these items. I think it's available in Sri Lanka now. It's available in Sri Lanka now. And not only that, smartwatch. So this is smartwatch. It can measure your blood pressure sometimes. It can monitor your sleep. So basically sleep actions. So how well you sleep, it can tell you, and how long you walk, or so like how many calories you burn during the day, it can estimate. So likewise, so it can do many things. So smartwatch, it's not much costly, right? It's you can buy a smartwatch for a very small price. Let's go to eBay and see the price in. So if you say smartwatch, so why I didn't write smartphone and tap there, because you know that there is anyway. So those embedded devices you are using widely. But these are some newly invented. So here you can see smartwatch is only $6. $6 means it's like 1,200 rupees. Even sometimes it can be even less than that. So let's go to the lowest price. Now we can see it's $4, $5. So that means only 1,000 rupees. You can buy a watch which has the internet connectivity and Bluetooth connectivity for this price. You said so one. So Yenuki, yes, good. You said that your brother has one. Yes, you can also get one, right? That is the smartwatch. Okay, next, let's go to the next one. And washing machines. Why washing machines are having this? The reason is, so washing machine also can work as a smart or embedded device. Here, smart washing machine. Washing machine. So what, not washing, it's a washing machine. So smart washing machine you can control using your mobile phone. You can connect using your mobile phone and see what's doing. You can configure and you can see what's going on, the humidity inside that and the heat likewise. You can monitor this. And not only that, in future, a lot of smart devices will be introduced, like smart mug. Smart mug which can show the temperature and various maybe about the nutritions in that, right? So smart mug can be, so you can connect smart mug to your mobile phone, right? So those are the smart devices. In future you will, not in future, now also you have that. And smart, what about smart plates? So you have smart plates, right? So that's wonderful. No, you can connect your plate to your mobile now, right? So you can connect your plate to your mobile. That is smart plate, right? Right. Likewise, lot of new embedded devices will come, and smart air conditioner. Right. You have smart air conditioner where you can connect and configure your temperature and the settings of your air conditioner using your mobile. And not only that, you have smart kitchen appliances. right? Smart kitchen appliances. The future home will be smart home, right? So there can be many kitchen appliances, like everything can be connected to the mobile phone or internet. Here in the future, this is future kitchen. So I think when you become adults, you will be working with this kind of kitchen. Interesting, no? Right? When you become adults, you will be working with this kind of kitchen. So a touch to turn on the tap, touch to turn off, right? And you can automatically configure everything using your mobile phone, right? Interconnected. So that is your future home. And smart home appliances. So you have like vacuum cleaners, right? Vacuum cleaners, lights, everything will be connected to your mobile phone and internet. Right? You have vacuum cleaners and vehicles, of course. Vehicles are having these, so you know, new vehicle, even hybrid car system. You can see, so how it get system software. So it has a software which indicate everything in the dashboard. Dashboard, you can see the temperature, you can see the fuel economy, and many things about your vehicle you can see in the screen dashboard. And in airplanes, yes, you can see those in dashboard. In ships, boats, other vehicles, even bikes and all, you can see everything in the dashboard due to these smart embedded devices. So now it's everywhere. You can mention anything here. This is like a smart wickets. Right. You can see touch sensitive smart wickets with a camera enabled one. Stumps, right? So smart bat, smart swimming kits, right? Smart sunglass, right? Smart sunglass. So you will have different devices coming in. You'll have different devices with embedded devices. So it is limitless. You can name anything. Right? You have many embedded devices. Mention the advantages of using embedded computer devices. What are the advantages? Why embedded devices are important? Can you tell few? What are the advantages?
No tired.
Yes, anyway, even, yes. So it will make our tasks easy, no? It will make the task easy and controlled. So what else? Yes, connectivity. So those are connected. So those are connected to each other. So connectivity and coordination. And more, the beauty is you can automate the task. Automate task easily. So okay, anything else? Easy and controlled, connectivity and coordination, automate the task easily. And what else? Faster. Those are, so there are some more, right? Faster. Anything else? Yes, these devices can make decisions, right? Intelligence is another important thing. Intelligence. Those can take decisions. For an example, a car auto brake system can brake. A car system can warn you. But there are so new vehicles. No, these days you are not. We are not getting any new vehicles, but even the recent past vehicles that we got. So when you cross a line, it will indicate. Right? That is alerting the driver when you cross. Sometimes when you feel sleep, when you blink, when you're not blinking your eyes, or when you feel sleepy, so your car will alert you. Your car will alert you. So likewise, those are intelligent systems. So please write these things. Please write these things quickly. So because after 8 and 9, we have few more tasks, which is next about the software, different software programs and different. So let me quickly go through the topics. You have to describe the software and a kind of software, and so about the hardware. So we have few more to answer, few more questions to answer. This is actually lengthy lesson and lengthy activity. Next day we can quickly finish these remaining tasks, especially 1.3. But I would like if you can complete this along and come to the class. Then it will be faster. ලියාගෙන උත්තර ලියාගෙන එන්න බලන්න ඊළඟ දවසේ activity 1.3 එකට. Then the class will be faster. You can finish it faster. Right, then the next lesson, as we started, it is about the computer lab and safety. And about this safety and computer lab, we have to learn few more steps about the security of the computer and how to securely turn on the computer and turn on. That lesson is quite easy lesson. It has safe user or health issues related to computers too. And so anyway, so let's discuss the remaining part, which means 1.3 and the next lesson. So which is safely using the computer lab in the next day. Till then, so do you have any question to ask from me about this lesson or the tasks that we have completed? Any difficult things, any difficult questions, difficult areas? Do you have anything to ask? Now you can ask, right? Please. Okay, it seems that you don't have questions then, right? Okay, so please, again, another thing, please go to your Edmodo and complete all the assignments there and the quizzes. You can go to your class. There are some pending quizzes. Some of you have not answered that. So please go through that and answer all the questions. Only one student has submitted, this is Sirimevan. So this is English medium one, only 2 has submitted this. Please answer all the questions. So, and come next day, right? So by next day, you can answer all the questions and come. Okay, then see you all. Good night. Have a nice day.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Good night, sir.